Rashni Prabhu. Today I'm going to draw the nature drawing. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to draw the nature drawing which I uploaded in my reel. So before we start this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Rashni's YouTube channel. Let's zoom in, guys. Okay, guys. So oh, sorry, the camera went down. First, you have a nice plain paper. Okay, so from this side, you're going to draw a perfect line like this. See here? Just like this. It's very easy. Just draw a line, okay? And then we will draw a house. I'll tell you what type of house we need to draw. Keep it like 2 triangles. Oopsies. See? 2 triangles. And then to the side like this. Yep, like that. And then from the triangle, we need to put a line in this side and then bring it to the top, just like that. And then here with the scale, you need to put perfect line. Okay, and then from this you need to attach it down. And from this you need to attach it down. This as well. There you go. So here we need to put a door. Small door. Ta-da! Okay, we finished drawing the house. Now we need a circle. What is in circle? I know what's in circle. Let's go get it. Right, let's go to the hall. Oh, a horror movie. We need something in circle. Oh, a circle water bottle. Let's get this. That horror thing is scaring me. Okay, that's okay. Let's keep it there. Okay, oopsies. We get this. Oh, it's gonna fall down. Need to scrub it here. It's the water. Okay, now for the moon, right here, we need to draw a circle. Keep it here. Oh dear. No, nothing happened. A perfect circle. Good. Just like this. Okay? And then what else should we draw is here a line and one circle. Like that. Here also one line. And a circle. From here to down. From here to down. Like that. And also here also. One slum. Okay. After that, here we're going to draw a river. Okay, so how to draw that river is with the scale. Oops. ID card. Okay, with this ID card, we keep a line like this. Wait, don't put the line. Line is like different line. Okay, straightly like that, just like that. Oops. Okay, just like this. You need to keep a little gap in here, and then like, hello. Okay. Oh, who's calling me? No one's calling me. It's my brother. My brother's holding my phone, and he's calling me. That's very naughty. No, he called.
I tell you no.
Okay, so that's like After that, keep a circle in the sky. Like this. You need to keep a circle. Just like that. And if you have this like a line, you need to rub it. Let me get my eraser. Now where's my eraser? Underneath the table. My tie. Okay, let me take the eraser. It's up there. Hey guys, I got an eraser section. Yeah, this is a magic eraser, but it's broken. Here, this is eraser. And this is a spinner eraser. I love this eraser mostly. So let me rub in this. Good. And then after we rub that line, from this side, in the left side, just do like this. And then a curve, just like that. Okay, in the left side. Now what else should we do? Oh yeah. From this one, go slanting really here. Just like that. Okay? So from this side, slowly like that. And from this side, also like that, but up. Just like this, okay? So after that, here we need to put lines with the scale. I mean, my ID, for me it's an ID card. Just like that. Okay, just like this. Just like this. Let me zoom in for you guys to see the drawing. Oops. Just keep it like this. And then after you draw that, here you need to put oval shapes everywhere. I'll tell you how to do that, guys. So here, oval shapes. You can see it? Just like that. Is this or yes it is. It's a big one. Blink. A mini oval right there. Here up, if you have space you can even do it. But only if you have space. Just like that, okay? After that, if you don't have space, you can leave it. I have a bit of space I can draw, okay? So after that, you know what else we should do? This is the moon, okay? Let us do for the moon first. So let me do like this for you to see the moon. Okay, you can see the moon now? Yes, okay. Let me untie just a little bit. Let's see this pencil. It's supposed to be like this. Okay? And shade it. That's okay if it gets inside the moon, so because we can rub it, okay? Don't worry if it's inside the moon. You can rub it inside the moon. Because we're doing a shade. So after we do the shade, in this side, oh wait, we need to rub the moon first. Get my eraser and rub the moon. Okay, so rub the moon. Rub this shading so much the pencil came from the moon. Okay, and then after that, you can tie it again. Okay, do like this around moon. Okay, around the moon you better do it just like this. Just like that. You shade it. See that? See the moon, guys? Just do it like that. Yes, it's just like this. Okay, now after you do it for the moon, for the house, there's also one more thing for the house, okay? For the house, it is scale and pencil. Here up, we like put a dash. Just like that, okay? Yes. I don't know if it comes properly. Okay, just from here, like that. Here like that, here like that, and here like that. See? Okay, after you do it, here, this time, for here, you know what should we do is, keep my ID card there, do the shadings here. Just like this. Okay? Just keep on doing this. Okay. Wait, let me just keep on shading it. Okay. So after you shade this in this side, in this corner, do it like this. Like how you did for the moon, like that. Like this only. Very easy. Okay, you got it? See, it's kind of like the drawing which I did. Like that in this side. But in this side, you better do like, kind of like sleeping position. Okay? Sleeping. Oopsies, I got it. That's okay because we're just doing a shading. You can erase it when it gets inside. Color it in peace. Okay, after that, erase the which has come inside. It's supposed to be fully colored. It's not coming properly because I'm just sitting on it properly. Yeah, just need to color it fully. Just color the full side, okay? Like this, color the full side. It's very amazing. I know guys, this is gonna be easier for you. I promise it's gonna be. Yeah. See? Just like that. Only for this side you may like cover it fully. Not like fully, only like this much, or else like wait. Like this much. See this? That much. Okay. Now let us start with the next one. Grass. We made a make grass here. I don't know which type of grass you need to do, guys. It's like first like draw like this, okay, and then like that you need to keep on doing, okay, like that. From this side also you need to keep on doing it. Okay, and then this side one, this side, this. It's like a grass. This is the grass. Okay. Here also just like that. Just make it like that. Okay. Just draw like that. I'm gonna draw this one. Okay. Just like this. Okay. Just like that. Okay. After you do this. Okay. Wait. Let me just check this. Okay. From here, you need to do the shading. Just like this, easy peasy. Let me zoom it for you guys. Even from now on, I will do lots of drawings in my channel also for you guys to learn some drawings. But if you want me to do the drawing videos, subscribe so I will do the drawing videos. Okay? Let's do this. Okay, after you do this, here you can draw grass. Everywhere you should draw grass. This is how a grass is supposed to be for this drawing. Okay? Wait, give me this eraser. It's not like this. Okay. Correct. Like that. Okay? See? See guys, how is it? It's nice now. Okay, now let's start for coloring it, guys. Because we finished the drawing. Okay, let me check what else we need to do. We're done. Let me check the drawing. Yes, it does look so similar, but sorry guys, you need to do like this on the moon. Just like scribble first, only around the moon, like this. Okay, then after that you need do the pressing with your hand. Just like that, okay? If the scribbles are not going, you can erase it. For me, it's going a bit, so I don't need to erase it. Yeah. This. See the moon? It's supposed to be like that. Okay. Okay, let us zoom in for doing coloring. Zoom in. Okay, guys, I got my color pouch. Yes, here now I have to do this. Oh yeah. Okay, first let us do for the house rooftop bricks. Okay, so first you can use any color pencils, sketches or crayons. But if you do with color pencils, it's better. Yes. You get the brown one. Brown color pencil. Now let's do it. First, you here. One side it's supposed to be dark. Oh, I forgot to zoom in for you guys. The house is supposed to be zoomed in for you. Just like that. Well, let me sit properly. Okay. Okay. You can see that. Ta-da! Okay, and then another side, you need to draw it lightly, okay? Like in a light color, because that's how bricks used to be. Okay, just like that. Let me see the drawing. Good, just like that. Here also dark side. You should keep on doing that. Here dark. Yes, this is what I needed. Here light. Again, dark. Like it's supposed to be dark light, dark, light, dark, light, light, dark, light, dark. Ta-da. Good. We're done for the house. Just do the light thing. Yay! See the house rooftop. It's very nice. Get the in. Okay, for the house, you know what color we should be? Purple. Purple or pink. Okay, let's keep purple for the house. Just like this. Just like. Okay guys, here. Just need to color this purple. Even this also in purple. Because purple is a nice color for the house. But in my other drawing, in the reel, I put pink. Is it pink? Yes, it's pink. But purple, it's nice. You can put any color if you want. But I choose purple because purple is like suiting the drawing. Suits the drawing properly. So, yes, that's how I want it to be. It's like purplish, yes, purplish color. See here guys, for the door I kept like this. With my green pen, I put like this, and with cyan color, I colored this. Okay, so now what should we do is, again take pink, and then for this you need to keep pink. Pink is very nice too. Okay, so now for this one, it will be a very, very nice color. And it is not a very nice color. It's a poor color, but that one's supposed to be a poor color. And it's gray. Wait. Let's color this. I'm drawing it. I'm seeing how it looks. And I saw it's very, 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 very amazing. See this, guys? Scary noise. I close the door. That's enough. Better close the door. Just like this. It's very nice if you put gray, because whenever we draw this, it's supposed to be in darkest color. So I need to put gray, because gray is the darkest color, as well as black. Just like that. Okay guys, I'm in another room. As you see, I'm in my grandfather's room because they are my father. Mr. Prabhu is right there. So let me zoom the camera for you guys. For you to see. Okay, let me come in front. See? Ta-da-da! I finished coloring the bridge. See how dark it is, guys. That's why you better use gray, not a pencil. Okay, for the next bit of the drawing. Oopsie. Let me see. Yeah, that's good, that's good, that's good. Okay, good. See this? See it from far away? It's nice, no? Okay, here also I need a good lightly gray. Just like that. Okay. What else should we put gray? That's it, I think. Okay, for this grass, we'll be needing green. If you don't have green, cyan. If you don't have cyan, blue. I'll do crayon. Just like color the full grass. See? Just color the full grass. Gracias. See? Copy it, guys. Ta-da! See, am I done? Let me check if I'm done. I better see if I'm done. I'm just rubbing the moon properly. That's my chalk. Good. Girls draw art properly. I wrote my board. Subscribe if you like girls and like if you like boys. That's the easy one. Okay, let me check if we can. No, me too. Let me zoom in for the next one. Okay. Okay, here we need to put blue. It's for the river. Fully colored in light blue. Oopsies. Too loud. Guys, since that last video that I danced Jisoo Earthquake with my cousin, it is very nice. Yeah, I like that because when I do videos with my cousin, it's like proper dance. Cause like 2 people is very nice. Just color it fully. Okay, now you know what color we should get. So, guess what I'm saying? Guess what did I say? It's one of my friend's favorite color. Dark blue, indigo. Just say that indigo. Just keep it like a snake. A wave. See? Like that. Okay, now let us trace everything with this black one. No. Good. Also, let us trace. I'm good at tracing a lot. We need to trace everything, guys, with a black sketch, like which I have now. This black sketch. You can't do it marker, because in the marker it won't be pretty nice. Okay. Good. Just like that. Okay, see this guy? Is it nice? Just like that. Trace the house. So I finished it, guys. If you love this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Harshini's YouTube channel. Okay? Bye.